Tips, take one.
Tell me why the stars do shine. Tell me why the ivy twines. Tell me why the skies are blue. And I will tell you why I love you. Because God made the stars to shine. Because God made